Hi everyone! Thank you for coming back to the channel.
Anything else?
So last week we went to Ikea to show you the iconic Swedish meatballs. Remember? So there was a lot of people watching this video and I would like to show you how we can make this iconic Swedish meatball at home. So this is a food court and this is where we ate the iconic meatballs and also the cod fillet. After that I went back to Ikea and I bought the frozen meatballs at the Ikea Food Market. You can always get the other stuff as well, the veggie balls, you can get the lingonberry jam, you can get the mashed potatoes and all the other things as well. They're all sold in the food market, which is on the first floor where they exit and cashier. So this is where you find the food market. They have all their food items there in the frozen section, whether it's the salmon, also the smoked salmon, cod fillet, veg balls, veggie sausage, and all the other things. So we are going to show you, I'm going to show you that food market itself. Is called the Swedish Food Market and Bistro. Next to it there is a bistro where you can get some frozen yogurts and some snacks if you're hungry. So I'm gonna go to the frozen section and this is the frozen meatballs. This is about 2 pounds. You can use it for sometimes twice for the whole family or maybe even 3 times if you have only for a 1 person portion. So I did it for 3 times. I did it for half a bag first. I microwave half a bag in the microwave and then did another twice of a quarter bag and a quarter bag, and this time with a different sauce. So I'm going to show you the meatballs. This is $14.99 for the 2 pounds bag of meatballs. You can, like I said, if you're vegetarian, grab the veggie dogs, and also there's veggie balls in the other section of the frozen aisles. It's a very small section, so it's very easy to find everything that you need. There's also corn mixed with vegetables. This is frozen vegetables. There is this drink, artificial flavored drink. You can get the juices and you can also get juices from the other side. I didn't buy all these things because blend of fruits, vegetables, you can easily make this at home. But if you like to add this to your cart, not a problem. I'm just gonna show you the selection. And this is in front of, the food market is in front of the cashier. Okay, I'm gonna grab the meatballs. I'll show you the mashed potatoes, but I did that at home by myself from scratch. I'm gonna show you, link the video below of how I make the mashed potatoes with the Instant Pot, and it was really fast, about 12 minutes with some potatoes and some butter. Very easy ingredient, and let's blend it together. So in this shop, just to show you how to make iconic Swedish meatballs, we're gonna grab this bag of the meatballs and also grab 2 packets of this gravy. You can, like I said, because you can cook half a bag and then half a bag. So getting 2 bags of that gravy will help you. Just to start off, it's 1.5 cup or 1.25 cup of water, about 300 ml. Make it heat up first, warm it up, and I will open this gravy. I'm gonna use only 1 packet because I will use only less than half of the meatballs. So 1 packet for half a bag of meatballs. That is the portion that I will use. So pour all the gravy inside into the warm water. Yeah, you can read the instruction at the back. It's very easy. They did ask for a cream, but I didn't put the cream. I'm just gonna use just this gravy and the water. Pour 300 milliliters of cold water into a saucepan. Bring to a boil and the sauce mix. and 50 ml or heavy cream. Stir well. Okay. And the trick is, in order to dissolve it easily all and make sure it's creamy, use a sieve. Use this and then make sure everything is dissolved and warm it up for a while. The water will and then reduce the water by boiling so that it becomes thick and creamy. And then there you go. It's very easy to make this gravy. After the gravy is a certain temperature and coming to a warm and to a boil, you can then pour in the meatballs. Okay, if you have making one portion or two portions, you just put enough for the portions that you're preparing. Right now I have only a quarter bag left, so I'm gonna pour this out. And about 15 meatballs. Yep. I'm just gonna throw them into the gravy as I heat it up the gravy. Okay, it's all quite frozen still. You see, all the meatballs are frozen, and all I have to do is just wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the gravy boils up, the meatballs will also become warm and just nice. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure it becomes warm and boiling. And while you're doing this, you can also grab a bag of spinach. I'm gonna prepare spinach. It's also very easy to make peas. If you like to make peas just like what you get in the food court, you can also buy 2 packets of frozen peas and make it at home. So all you need is mashed potatoes, the meatballs, the gravy, peas if you like, and the lingonberry sauce. Okay, this is very easy to make at home. Just a few minutes of your time and you get dinner or even a Sunday brunch ready. Okay, I'm just gonna move it around so that it gets the heat distributed well. So as I'm going, I will go ahead and take a bag of spinach and just make sure I have that stir fry. Very easy to stir fry spinach. Just get a pan that is flat pan, big enough. Pour in all the spinach and just put a little bit of olive oil, saute gently, and then you have it. There you go. Very easy. I did make the mashed potato from scratch, like I said, in the Instant Pot. I will link a video down below, and also I will make another video on how to make mashed potato easily on an Instant Pot. It all takes about 12 minutes actually, so it's very easy and very easy ingredients. Sometimes I have leftover potatoes, I put some butter and then that's it. So the mashed potatoes is soft and creamy, and then a bit of make some hollows, put in all these delicious. Make sure it's warm, okay? Sometimes it's frozen, it takes a little bit longer to make it warmer. Yeah, there you go. And while it's doing that, okay, another portion. Everybody gets a bit, just for brunch, and they also have other stuff to eat. So that will be enough just to share out. And then quickly saute some veggie. This is spinach, and it's very easy because it's already pre-washed. All you have to do is, usually I always have these frozen these vegetables in the fridge. It's very easy. Pour some olive oil, and it's very good to eat, a bit more fiber. So go ahead and make a big portion of this spinach. Like I said, most of the time keep 1 or 2 bags in your fridge, and then whenever you need, you can just make this easily. Okay, all right, there we go, a very delicious meal with the frozen meatballs. Make the gravy, have some mashed potatoes, and then prepare some vegetables. For the vegetables, you can either use spinach, you can use cabbage, also the frozen peas, just to make it different. And one of these days, we will also make our own meatballs from scratch. It's very easy to make meatballs from scratch as well. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video and go ahead and try to make this at home. The best thing and the best advantage of making this at home is that you buy the ingredients and you can just whip it up. Less than 15 minutes, you have dinner. If you are hungry and you have very hungry kids and also the lunch box to fill up, just use the whole packet with the gravy. You might just need 2 portion of gravy. Okay, so like the measurement goes, I will use half bag of meatballs for 1 packet of gravy. And there we go. A lot more of the veggies and a little bit more of the olive oil. And there we have a beautiful meal, just right for the family on a weekend, without hassle, without any inconvenience. And you can make these iconic meatballs at home anytime you need it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you to make this very easy meal, very delicious meal at home. And just to take note, my daughter asked to say to you that the Swedish meatball is less salty compared to many other brands outside. So less salty, more healthy, and very tender. Alright, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that we can show you more ideas so that you can easily make delicious food at home for your family, improve your health and wealth. Thank you for watching again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.